and this is 4338 Cherokee. This was a front porch over here that was taken out. Coming along the side. So the driveway holds about 3 cars. There's the siding on the main house. Main house is 1,900 square feet. The second story, which was an add-on. Get up in here. And this is the inside of the main house, which again is 1,900 square feet. Bear with me. Okay, we're now currently inside the main house. Which is 2 bedrooms, 2 bath on the main floor. This is where the stairway to the second level was, but that's been demoed. This area here is the first living space. This is bedroom number 1. This area in here was the first living space. Here's the second living space, living room. So from the street, walking in, here's the front door. This first room that you walk into is the living room or main space. Fireplace. If I look up here, you can see what used to be the attic. To my left here is another living space, family room, living room. So you walk in here, this is where the kitchen was. Okay. Walking through here. Bedroom 1. And this is the ceiling of the second floor. And this is bedroom 2. Okay. This was a bath. You can kind of see up there into that second level. And this is again where the stairs to the second level go or were. And that is one big space right now on the second level. Coming through here, this was bedroom 2, which leads out to the patio. So this is the first house. If we look up here, again, there's the second level. And this is 1,900 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, with an additional upstairs space. From front to back, there's the side entrance door. Side paneling, second story, coming around to the back. Got 2 units back here. Unit on the left is the one that's partially finished, needs a little bit more before it gets a tenant. The one on the right has a tenant in place. And then coming around the back of the front house, you can see where we are right here with the existing structure and then the second story put in. Okay, so we're gonna go in this unit. So this is unit number 1. Got nice natural light, double pane windows, air conditioning, a cool kitchen. Got the fridge. Here's our stove, lots of counter space, and breakfast bar. And storage up here, so it's nicely done. Coming into the bedroom. Here's a single bedroom with these really cool inlaid floors. This is the exit to the outside. Oh, I'm sorry, no, this is the closet. This is the exit to the back. So the exit right to the back. Park your car. And the bath, which is full bath, new vanity, shower. So this is unit number 1. We're gonna walk right back through. So here's bedroom number 1, living space, cool tile, open floor plan, kitchen, shelving, AC, unit number 2. And this is unit number 3. So this one's the one that's unfinished. Got the same wood pattern going in. Vinyl windows, same AC unit. Heat and AC actually. Pioneer. Got the fridge, dishwasher, stove. Again, vinyl windows. This is the main living space. In this case, this would be the bedroom, living room, and then bath around the corner. Very similar to the other in terms of layout. Okay. This door next to the bath leads to the outdoor. And this next to it is the closet. Again, walking backwards, bedroom, double pane windows, west facing natural light. There is natural hardwood underneath here. Living room, double pane windows, dimmer lighting, kitchen area, kitchen appliances, and AC and heat. And this is unit number 2.